Hello there. So you want to know how you can use Uber Eats group orders? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Uber Eats application. Once you've done that, I hope you are already logged in. Simply tap on your account tab and click on saved groups right over here. Now, as you can see, you're going to be taken to this page where it says make group travel and meals easy. Create groups to coordinate rides and orders with ease so you can spend less time planning and more time having fun. You can place group orders, simplify rides, and then split the bill. So simply click on create group, create any group that you want. You can go ahead and invite all your people or add them right over here by letting them scan that. And once you guys have already ordered, so for example, let's go ahead into this, and then I can simply go ahead and invite my group into go ahead and order in here. I can also make a spending limit per person. Everyone pays for themselves or anything that you want. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.